You said, Mama, who was that? That was Cecil. His daddy died today. Uh. Yeah, the way he tells it, and we always say that, the way he tells it, like he might be making this up. The way he tells it, his daddy had been outside cutting grass. Well, ever since they bought that riding mower, hell, he cut grass every damn day. He just got there and ride. Well, you know, they bought him that riding mower last summer after he cut off 3 toes on his right foot. That was him being damn bullheaded. You know the mower where it says keep hands and feet away from blade? He said, it's my damn mower. They can't tell me what to do. Well, anyway, listen. So Cecil and the other kids went in together, and they bought him this riding mower. I told them when they bought that mower, I said, look, that man's 82 years old. He don't need no damn 12 horsepower. But they wouldn't listen. Sears had that damn sale going on. Nothing down, no payments till April. They said, we'll just add that to what we already owe. Well, you know, listen, you know, when he turned 80, they took away his weed eater. He was chasing bumblebees with it. Well, you know, remember, he wore those real thick bifocals, remember that? He wore bifocals. So when he would look up like that right there, look up. That bumblebee like a buzzard to him. And then, of course, when he would look down like that right there, look down. He was so proud. Trouble was, his wife didn't wear bifocals. Well, anyway, they get this big mower, and sure enough, he was riding that damn mower to the mall. Had a handicap sticker. We know he had that bad foot and everything. Cutting through people's yards. Everybody had one mowed strip. And they were pissed. Well, anyway, he had no business cutting grass today. It was 98 degrees out there, and Cecil said, Daddy, you ought not cut grass today. You just cut it yesterday. He said, I know, but it might be raining tomorrow. Bless his heart, he thought cutting grass was just like a bowel movement. You ought to do it every day. Matter of fact, that's what he'd do, get up every morning and shit that mower. Well, here's what happened. The old man that lived next door, there's an 80-year-old man next door, and he had just gotten one of those, it was a brand new motorized wheelchairs. Had a motor on it, scooting around. Well, they had to get him one, really. What happened was, about 20-something years ago, back in the early 70s, he had this like a hip replacement. And it wasn't like this today. They don't have the plastic joints back then. They use that metal. And I think he had just soaked in the tub so much that it like rusted his butt. So, he was like all stoved up. They tried everything. So they even sprayed back there with that WD-40. Well, anyway, nothing worked. So they said, well, hell, we'll just get him a wheelchair, you know. They had that Sears sale going on. I said, we'll just add that to what we already owed them. So anyway, he had a wheelchair, and then Cecil's daddy got to argue with that old man about which would be the fastest. the wheelchair or that new mower. Well, goddamn. So they got out on the highway to drag race. And it was going along pretty good. They come to this four-way stop, and they stopped. But this Walmart truck was coming this way. And on the side of the Walmart truck, it said, follow us to Good Bargains. And, you know, and old people just do whatever it says do. So they started following that damn semi. And, well, anyway, so a Chihuahua darted, really, well, you know, now, of course, Cecil's daddy had on his bifocals. He thought it was a hog. But it darted out, and the Walmart's truck just stopped like that, you know. And that wheelchair and lawnmower went right up on that damn truck. I swear it was a mess. Killed both of them. Damn dead dog. It didn't hurt the Walmart driver. He said he didn't see a damn thing. Well, I'll get in there and fix a casserole. And we'll go on over there.